This is Caravan Salon 2021, and this is a 2022 camper van from Clever Vans, and this is quite clever and unusual because it's a Citroen camper van with a rear lounge, and it costs €53,590. There is the rear lounge, a rear lounge in a tiny van. Well, I don't think tiny is the right word for it, but it's a pretty small van to have such a big rear lounge. That is thinking outside the box. You mightn't like it, you might think, what's the point of that? But there are plenty of people who want rear lounges, and that might fit the bill. So, anything missing in here as far as you can see? Let's have a look. There's the toilet, don't have to get up to show it to you. There's the steering wheel. You use that when you want to go around corners. There's the gearbox. You can use that to sort of move the vehicle. You use it in conjunction with that thing down there on the left hand side, that pedal. That's called it's called something, whatever it's called. It's called the clutch, that's it. I knew it was called something. And there's the fridge. Right, so the kitchen is this block here, which is sometimes seen in these VW camper van type things, where you sort of take the block out and then use it somewhere else. But I think there is something missing here. Anyway, if you spot what's missing, do let me know as we're walking around. So in here, oh, that's rather stiff, and here, there's your gas cupboard, your gas canister cupboard. Right, so it's not entirely rear lounge, because at the back here, this is called the bike, or Citroen bike, or Clever Vans bike, or something like that. There you have space for a bike. One bike, not two, but it's a bike. So I suppose it's better than no bike at all in the back. Alright, the thing which is missing is where you're going to sleep. Well, I've been thinking about this one, and it could well be the Four Seasons, or the youth hostel, or failing that, you can attempt to make a bed here at the back using a method that's been on the go for much longer than I have, or probably at the same time as I have. And you do that using this table, which will move down, and you can see it's got different parts, and then you use the cushions from the back, and that makes the bed. And at the moment, sitting down here, it's not too uncomfortable. There you have it, a rear lounged camper van. Unusual, eh? I might even move down here. I'll give you another view. You might want to see what it's like sitting down here. I've got a bag on my back, which makes it a bit more difficult. Unfortunately, somebody saw me and gave me some water. But whereas it's nice to have the water, it does sort of make me more difficult for me to sit down. Lovely skylight up there. Great. Oh, seat belts here as well, should you want to. So you've got extra seat, 4 belted positions. Okay, good, right. Any opinions? Oh no, I can't hear you, can I? Because I'm recording this and you're seeing it much later. Let's see if the table moves around. It doesn't, never mind. Gone of everything. That is the smallest rear lounged vehicle that I've ever seen. Citroen jumper, 541 centimeters in length. Bike 540. Well, if you found that interesting, you might want to subscribe. If you didn't, then you won't. Thanks for watching. All the best in Düsseldorf.